Hello everyone, this is Smartness at its best, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to use custom fonts in HTML. So over here, in my HTML page file, I have the boilerplate and then an H1 tag that says custom fonts. So the next step is to go to the browser that you're using, and then go to fonts.google.com. So then you'll, fonts.google.com is just like this giant, it's just like a website that has just a bunch of free to use fonts. So choose one of the fonts you like. So I'm going to choose Oswald. Choose a style. So I like this style, regular 400. Select it. Then click embed. And then so if, copy this. There's a couple ways to do this. So the first way is to copy this link tag and then put it into your HTML page. And then save, and then get this font family, Oswald, this, and then you could either use the style tag and just like put it in this way, like that, or you could do style equals this, or you could do it in an external CSS file. All of these ways work, and then if you and there's another way to do it, which is to, after you click on embed, click on @import, and then you could just copy this code and then put it at the top of your CSS page file, and then this is also like basically linking that font to your CSS file, and then this will work. And then if you do that way, then you won't need to have this or this style tag. So thank you for watching, and I hope you learned how to use custom fonts. Until next time, bye.